Oh, not again. What? What happened? The umbrella. If you have an umbrella at home, chances are you've come out to find it like this. Now, thankfully this umbrella didn't break, but they don't seem to stay clamped in the umbrella weight very long before they rattle loose and go flying. So we're gonna show you how I solved this issue. So stick around and you won't have to deal with this anymore.
Smash Engineering.
The first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is recover your umbrella or buy a new one. Unfortunately, when this ripped out, it also broke the tile. That if you come up here, you'll see what I mean. It also broke the tile that had a little hole in it here. So if we can avoid that, maybe we won't break the tile. The first thing you want to do is locate how you like it. Now, if your umbrella has a tip feature and your sun goes from east to west, you'll probably want this to either aim east and west so you can actually block the sun. Now, the other reason why this is going to help is when you have this tilted and you catch any kind of gust of wind, even with it clamped in there, they like to spin. So what we're going to do is put this upright how we like it, take note of the orientation, then we're going to take a look at the weight down there, which for instructional reasons, I'm going to remove this so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So give me just a second and we'll clip there. All you're going to need to accomplish this is a drill and the right size drill bit. You don't need all those. Best way to do it, we're going to pull this out. Like that. We're going to get this somewhat centered in here, because that's kind of where we want it to be as it gets clamped. We're going to take a drill bit that's a little bit smaller than what we need so that it fits through. I want to get close up here. So that it fits through the hole, but doesn't quite touch the hole. We'll clamp that in our drill bit. We're going to drill a hole, which we'll call it the pilot hole, the right size of that. Now we're going to take it out. Now that we have our pilot hole, we're going to lay it down. We need the next drill bit size to be just larger than the screw so that when we screw this in, it's going to lock into the hole. That's going to keep it, better than clamping it, it's going to keep it from flying away. So let's go right around. Make sure we're going big enough. That's not hard to locate. There you go, that'll work. For this one, let's see. Ends up being a 3/32. So then we'll clamp that one. Now, a heavy enough wind, if it doesn't break your umbrella, will lift this whole thing up, so you're still going to have a problem if you don't put the umbrella down. Can you see it? Now, when we put this back in here, if done correctly, it'll not only hold it in place, but it'll also keep it from spinning. go. Now I can lift up on this, probably strong enough to lift the whole base. So it's not gonna slide out of there anymore. You could also shim up on this side if you wanted to make it more stable. But even when it was clamped, it was still wobbly all over the place. So, all right, as you can see, we have it installed back up here. We need to get a new tile piece here, probably get a metal one or whatever, but the wind's whipping and this is not going anywhere. So if you look underneath, if I were to be picking up on this, like the wind, literally picks up the whole thing. This does no longer slide out. It's not gonna rattle loose because the bolt is going into the pipe. So it's not gonna rattle loose. It can't loosen not very easily. I hope this video helps you. I hope this can help you maybe keep your umbrella from getting damaged. And thanks for watching. Find someone to help, give someone a hug, give someone a high five, let them know they're cared about. Thank you.